Ganyan.
And at center from Saskatchewan, Pampanga, number 25, Japet Aguilar. Head coach for Barangay Ginebra is
Ganyan. CPC. Coach Team Car.
Here we go. The last time of your introduction.
Grabe sa'yo talaga to si Puy Ira. First 5 lagi. Yan. Umpisa na per. Umpisa na per. Good luck.
Finals, at ito makikita po natin ang starting lineup ng Barangay Ginebra. This is a tweak that Coach Tim Gold has introduced here in game number 7. And for BNP, parehong starting lineup.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
Game number 7.
Grabe. Ang dilim. Ang dilim.
It's going to be tip-off time in just a short while. It's on your screen, some of Yengiang's favorite people.
Kaya mga referee, oh. Kaya.
Roy Rosario not starting in this game. That's very unusual. It's the first time that he's not starting. What will it impact Barangay Ginebra that Roy Rosario will come off the bench?
I think yung sinabi mo kanina, no, di Kinito, yung 24 points ni Malonzo nung game 4.
Ugay. Paul agad par.
Replicate that as much as possible. They want
Patay na.
Malonzo
Sino
scoring.
yan?
Kaya binigyan ng chance dito.
Agad ng foul si RHG.
Maybe just to get it
Kobe
started
Bryant
with
ng
early
Pinas.
and get
Foul si Hall.
with his scoring on offense.
Free throw ka agad, oh.
First foul called on Stephen
Pasok
Gold,
ang unang
and
free
RHG
throws.
is on the line for free throws.
Pasok.
Is already on the board.
Maybe another reason, Coach Yang, is that kung mag-switch ang Barangay Ginebra,
Yan, pasok agad ang unang free throws ni RHG.
Yes, this is actually a big lineup, but it's a quick lineup. So it's a very switchable
Game
lineup.
7 pa tayo for final ano na nila, series.
Two men confronting
Sana manalo na yung ating Ginebra mga par.
They tried this in game 6. They tried to squeeze the
Yan, libre.
shot clock of Ginebra. That
Uy,
shot
naku.
did not work. It's in the hands of Malonzo. Thought about it. Decided against it.
Malonzo.
They have 9
Napapasok kasi
seconds on their
Malonzo.
shooting clock. Here comes Scotty. Switch over by RHG.
Yan, libre agad, oh.
Who will take the shot is a giant question. It's Scotty.
Nako, airball par. Yan lang. Sa kanya lahat yung puntos.
Look at this.
Grabe, oh. So time out pa ang ating Ginebra pa nga po. Grabe, kanya lahat ang points. 4.0. 4-0 na pa tayo mga kaibigan.
when I think Coach Tim wants him to go hard in closing out against a driving RHG.
Back to the hard court. 4-0 par 4-0. Nako, munti ka Loya nakataya na eh. Kinakabahan. 6-0 tayo par. Game 7 pa tayo. Game 7. Panoorin natin hanggang matapos ang first quarter. Hala, talagang ano talaga si The Brownie ngayon par. May iniinda pa kasing injury yan. Ano? Patay na naman kayo dyan. Hala, stiff back lang. Nice one. Kalma. Bibi kalma. 6-0 tayo mga par. Yes, may foul. Nice one, Japit. Yan, graduatein mo eh. Pag-graduate na. Nice one, Japit. Score tayo. Bawi. Bawi lang tayo. Nice one.
Yung defense ng TNT, when they started to clamp down defensively on Barangay Ginebra,
6-1 po tayo mga kaibigan.
they know how to defend that.
Kinakabahan na yung mga nakataya.
Pupunta yung mga pasa.
Sana manalo sila dito par. Nice one, 6-2. 6 against 2 in favor of Talk and Text. True Fangiga. Puntayan nyo kasi yan si Kubing yan. Yes, Kati. Bro. One blocks. Mahuyap talagang ano to par. Grabe talagang info to par. Kalabaw lang oh. Patay. Parang delikadong Ginebra ngayon par. Nice one. So 10 against 4 tayo par. Lamang ng 6 points na. Turnover na naman. Pinsip. Uy!
Very aggressive defensive for
Naku po.
TNT early in the game. Ang tanong dyan, how long can they sustain
Offensive
that
mga
kind of
po.
energy?
Ito yung moments na ba yung mga coaches, you watch on the left, and
Yes.
Offensive mga po.
timeout pa ako.
Grenadine and just
Nice one, John Lee. Nice one, Justin.
Wala na mga player.
May iniinda kasi ito si Brownlee par.
Is it on error? Yes,
Nice one, nice one, nice
it
one.
is on error. He's second.
Coach, in this situation of Game 7, ano,
Back to the hard court. Justin Brownlee. Attempts. No good. Nice one. Nice one. Oh. Sayang yun par.
Kelly Williams will come in for
Okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Turns two personal fouls.
Sayang. Yan, nilabas yung ano, si Iram Poy.
Game 7 ba, Coach? Paano
Si
yung
Poy Iram.
mabilis lang yan?
Sa anim lang, anim lang, anim lang.
Based on instincts
Anim
na
lang yan
Wala
mga
na
par.
masyadong strategy to. Ba't ano na to?
Naku, tumira. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice.
Malusot yung pasa na yun.
Williams.
Again, in terms of
Tirano ko sa to eh.
turnovers, never averaging
Ayan, time out, time out.
for ball.
Ito, wala, wala.
With a punch at it, couldn't get it.
Okay, okay, okay. Kalma, 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 kalma. Japit, japit, japit. Gumalaw ka naman, par.
Six on the shot clock.
Oy. Sino po? Ah, okay, foul. Merong foul, merong foul. Nice one, Jefferson.
Give up kasi maglilay up.
Sige, dagdagan mo pa ang foul mo. Foul daw, foul, foul, foul.
Alex Jefferson collects his first foul. Shot clock of Ginebra is at 14.
Lamang ng anim ang ano par, TNT par. Naku po, nakaka-cute.
Standing left side, bounces in gently to Brownlee. Another turnover.
Ay, sayang naman nun. Naku. Maraming kalat nila par.
Kelly Williams dancing. Here's the backup.
Nang bata.
He goes left. Pocket pass.
Patay na naman. Hala! Pinasa kay CTC ang bola. Sana sinalo niya, no? Tapos,
Kala niya may teammate
tapos
siya
sinot
sa
niya.
bandang corner.
Patay ka. Labas ka dyan, kalbo. Patay ka dyan, kalbo.
that's a consequence of better defense.
Sige, tira, 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 tira.
Now the case is here at TNT. no?
Tira lang, tira lang.
Passes because they're feeling the pressure ng depensa ng Barangay Ginebra, wanting that turnover.
Tira lang, par. Tira lang. Oops. Nice one! Agoy, hindi pumasok, agoy. Patay tayo dyan.
Nakakainis kasi.
Hindi pumasok. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Agay. Okay, yan, yan. Nice one, nice one. 6 minutes tayo par dito po sa first quarter. Game 7 po tayo. Game 7 dito sa Aranita Coliseum. Justin, Justin, Justin. Kaya, kaya. Okay. Kaya. Okay, 2 fouls. Williams. Fouls po, foul. Williams.